Okay, this is the engineering department. This is where the Max-Lume revolution was born. From a drawing, we moved forward to the very first one that we made. Not complete, obviously. So this was the very first one that was done before the reflector and the cover and everything was put inside. So that was the first part. This is the final preparation of a mould for the injection moulding machine. Final polishing has to be super polished so that the plastic doesn't stick to the mould when it comes out. Okay, this is an injection moulding machine. The guys in there just making the LED light here, the Mr. light which we sell. Close that up. The process will start. Exactly the same process making the backing for the HID Revolution light. It's the same thing, but just today we're doing this part. I'll just open that up and you can see plastic's flowing inside, very high temperature, and that will open up and one pistol bit will come out the bottom. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, there you can see it opening up. The part drops down the bottom. Here we are with a very important part to the Revolution lighting series, the HID ballast production. As you can see, there's 14 people here. Each person has 2 or 3 jobs to do to a ballast until it's at the end where it's tested. So we'll just move down and have a little look what's going on here. And you can see the part moving down the assembly line. As each person checks what they've done, this guy's just having a good look to make sure it's right. So we'll just move down a little bit further. A little bit more work here. And then further here, as you can see, going into the ballast cover, which you've seen before, you're familiar with that. Quite quickly, its production is quite quick. Move down a little bit further. Here are the finished products which will be tested. If you move down, you can see this lady here is testing the lights and the HID ballast to make sure it's right before it goes any further. If there's a problem, it's rejected, thrown in the bin. There we go, spot on. Here we are, one of the final parts of testing the lumen sphere to test the lumens of the bulb. It's a 55 watt HID, so I'll just close that up. And then we'll move over, and as you can see, this computer machine will measure the lumens and this guy will check to make sure everything's right. Okay, well, we've seen a small insight into what has to happen to produce a Max-Lume Revolution light. To finish up with this product here, from the reflector housing, aluminium reflector, the HID ballast covers, and so on. This is Angela, who does all our box production and packaging to make sure everything arrives safely. This is Mr. Wong, who's in charge of quality control and production manager. So many people have to work to make this light. Probably about 50 people go through a different process, but in the end we've got a #1 product, spot on.